What's up? Welcome to another vlog. Can you guess where we're headed to right now? I'll give you some options. 1, cafe. 2, a co-working office. Or 3, the beach because it's nice and warm. I'll give you 5 seconds to decide. All right, 5 seconds is up. We're actually going to none of the above. You know where we're going on this Friday morning? We're going to... Where are we going?
We're going to Ikea!
Ikea! Woo! Most people think of Ikea for furniture. But the truth is, it's a lot more than furniture. You see, Ikea is one of the best places to work from. Weird, huh? Ikea working what? What is this? Yes, because they have this cool coffee shop looking thing, desks, Wi-Fi, charging station, lounge, and then they have food, and then they also have frozen yogurt. And then if you're bored and you're done working, you can go for a tour around Ikea. What happened?
I was licking my finger.
You were licking your finger? How's your coffee?
Black.
Black. She likes it black.
Like my soul.
What are you doing? Aw, look at her. Oh, so cute. So cute. So cute. Oh wait, you thought I was talking about the bear. No, I'm talking about her. I'm training for an actual baby.
Yo, chill.
All our friends are here. We have Wally the whale. We have Dodo the doggy.
Why is his name Dodo?
Momo the monkey. See? He's my favorite. Riley the rhino. Wait, that's a rhino. That's not a dog. Wait, what happened? What? Oh. Oh. Oh God. Oh God.
In Ikea?
Okay, so we gotta find bed sheets. Okay, that's why we're here. Bed sheets.
Oh my God, this one.
All right, so we just finished shopping, and you know what happens after a good shopping spree at Ikea? We deserve frozen yogurt. Hey. So good. I swear, it tastes like ice cream. It should be illegal that frozen yogurt's this good. So I decided to take a nap because your boy's tired. Was tired. Woke up and I was like, how can it be bad today? And so I ended up getting. By the way, don't do this at home, okay? Do not do this. What I'm about to show you, do not do this, okay? But I wanted to be bad. And so I got myself, yeah, I know. I know. Look at this sunset we got going on here. This like orange vibes, yo. Look at this orange. Is that a rainbow? Is that a rainbow? Oh my God, it's a rainbow. I know, you're like, why the freaking hell is this boy getting excited over rainbow? I don't know. Maybe honestly it was the Prime energy drink. The energy drink did something to me. I could be doing something to me. I'm just saying. By the way, I'm gonna show you something. All right, you see this playlist? Work music for study, concentration, background study music. I'm telling you, if you want to get into flow and whoa, don't read that. Do you hate procrastinating? Do you struggle to find focus? Do you want that smooth flow where you go on your desk and you're just instantly locked into your work for hours and time flies by and you're so productive and you look back in your day and you're like, I got a lot done. You gotta listen to work music for study and concentration. Plus, I think this helps as well. Okay, I'm procrastinating because I... So, remember how we went to Ikea earlier today and then I ended up slacking up on my work? What? No, I didn't. No. One of the things we got was new bed sheets. Why? Because ours were like, it was okay, but we want to step it up a little more. And so, if you remember, well, I don't know why I expect you to remember what my bed looks like. But here's a before of what the bedroom looked like. And now it looks like this. Okay, so you see this right here? So if you watch my other vlog, one of my earlier vlogs, you'll know how much I love that painting. Why? Because if you look closely at it, it's a mix of Legend of Zelda and Starry Nights by Van Gogh. Thanks. Okay. But the problem is, as you can see here, everything looks nice and adulty. But then, yeah, and so problem is that this painting over here, it looks a little, what's the right word? I don't want to offend myself, so I gotta figure out the right word to say here.
Boyish.
And so we are debating to replace it, which breaks my heart because Legend of Zelda. Okay, I need a minute. So my friend. So you see these lights over here. You see the problem is with these lights is that they're too bright. And so we got some light bulbs here, as you can see. Boom. Yeah, I'm gonna try to replace them. But here's the thing, okay? I don't know if these will work or not. So if they don't work, I may have to go all the way back to Ikea and return them. So that you can see here, the stakes are incredibly high with what I'm about to do. So risky right now, as you can see. I'm all unscrewing in the light bulbs. My heart is beating faster than ever. Will this work out? Will this not work out? Who knows right now? But the stakes, as you can see, are incredibly high. Someone help me! I can't breathe! One more. What?
Sounds pervert.
Oh my god. The moment of truth has come. Will I be required to go back all the way to Ikea to return these bulbs, or will I be the happiest man alive? Let's see.
It looks too yellow.
Shit.